In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic movie poster in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to File and choose New to create a new document. I'm naming the document Movie Poster. Enter the same document settings shown in the video and click Create. Drag and drop the first subject image onto the canvas. Press Enter. Go to Select and choose Subject to automatically select the subject. Then again, go to Select. This time choose Select and Mask. Enable Decontaminate Colors and set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Delete the original hidden subject layer, we don't need it. Right-click the new subject layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Resize and position the subject as shown. Select the subject layer and click the Layer Mask button to add a layer mask to it. Choose the Brush tool. Select a brush from the torn paper brush set. Download link for the torn paper brushes and other tutorial files are given in the description. Now, rotate the brush as shown. Use bracket keys to adjust brush size. Make sure the layer mask is selected and your foreground color is black. Then brush to remove half of the subject's face. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the subject layer. Select the duplicate's layer mask and press Ctrl and I to invert it, bringing back the opposite half of the face. Move the two halves apart to create the torn gap. Drag the second subject image in. Once again, go to Select and choose Subject. Then again, go to Select. Then choose Select and Mask. Enable Decontaminate Colors. Set Output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Convert the second subject layer to a smart object, then delete the unwanted original. Place this second subject below the two first subject layers. Resize and position it as shown. Select the second subject layer. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer above the second subject. Click the clip button so it only affects the second subject layer below. Enable Colorize. Then set hue to 205 and set saturation to 50. Add a new empty layer above the hue saturation layer. Right-click it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select the brush tool. Again, choose any torn paper brush. Rotate as shown. Set the color to white. Make sure the clipped new empty layer is selected. Now paint along the torn edges to create realistic paper texture. Try changing brushes, brush sizes, and brush rotation for more realism. Make sure you have something like this once you're done drawing the torn paper texture. Select this half of the first subject and go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Black and White. Select the default preset and click OK. Now select the other half of the first subject. Then go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Black and White. Again, choose the default preset and click OK. Select the top layer, then select the Gradient tool. Choose the basic black to white gradient and set the gradient mode to Linear Gradient. Draw the gradient as shown and make sure this gradient layer is placed at the top. Select the Text tool. Type the movie title. This is the font and font style I'm using to type the movie title. Resize and position it as shown. Add the second line of text using the same font. Copy-paste the text from the provided text file. Download link for the text file also given in the description. Resize and align the text so the top and bottom lines match in width. Right-click the text and enable Faux Italique. Add another text layer. Use this font and font style for the new text. Copy-paste the text from the text file. And place it as shown. Drag and drop the movie poster logo. Resize and position it. Double-click the logo layer to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Stroke. Set stroke color to white. And apply other stroke settings as shown. And click OK. Select Text tool again. Add one more text layer. Use this font and font style for the new text. Type the text. Change text color to black. Make adjustments to text size and text leading as shown. Then place the text as shown. Now rename this layer Torn Paper Edges. Double-click the Torn Paper Edges layer to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Drop Shadow, and set the drop shadow settings as shown. Once you're done, click OK. Select the top layer, then press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E together to make a merged copy of all visible layers. Convert the merged layer to a smart object. Go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Now set contrast to 50 and set shadows to 20. Finally, click OK. That's it! You've successfully created a dramatic torn paper style movie poster in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.